It would not be made out of gold.
That's a couple of
Silver pourer.
You have chosen wisely. Stay here.
Right, Silverpunks, here we have it. Here's our next little project. As you could probably tell from the lead up to this part of the video, we're doing this little bad boy. This is so cool, so looking forward to doing this pour. Look at that. Everyone wanted to be Indiana Jones as a kid. Well, if I'm honest, I still want to be Indiana Jones now. So here we have it, the golden idol, and let's do some sand casting and get the sand done for him. I think I'm going to do him that way, because then the sprue, we'll cut off the sprue from there. So I'm thinking push him in that way and then pour down. Right, let's see how that goes. Let's see then. Two attempts later, we've got it. Still a little bit of flashing, as you'll see on this side, but nothing. It's just the way the model was, just the way the 3D print was, just because it sticks out a bit and it pulls some of the sand away, just because the angle. But nothing we can do, just a bit more clean up. All I've got to do is just heat up the top, which I'll do now, and then we'll get ready to pour.
Don't look at it. Shut your eyes, Mary, and don't look at it no matter what happens.
Ho ho ho! There he is, guys. You getting that? Here is the finished item, the idol, now all in gold after the toning and I'm just so happy it's come out really well. So pleased with how it turned out, from the 3D print all the way through the process, and I think the toning's just an absolute, I think it's incredible. I really do. I think the toning's just made it. And look at that bad boy, you're getting that? One of my favourite pours today. So I hope you enjoyed that little video, and I'll see all you guys and girls next time. Thanks for watching. Cheers.